Let's make something bold, buttery, and absolutely restaurant worthy at home. This is my creamy garlic butter cod masala, and it's packed with flavor, richness, and that desi twist we all crave. Marinate the fish. I am starting with one big cod fillet, firm, flaky, and mild. Cut it into even sized pieces and pat dry. Now for the marination, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, lemon juice, and a mix of Indian spices. 1 tsp Kashmiri red chilli powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt, and a chipotle powder for that smoky kick, and a fresh 1 tablespoon ginger and a garlic paste. I am listing the full spices blend on the description and in the caption. Keep it easy for yourself. Mix everything well and let the fish soak for about 15 minutes while we build the base. For the plating, I am using the green chilies and the red chilies. You can just cut it into like a round shape or whatever like shape you want to prefer. Completely optional. Now cook your fish in a hot pan. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Place your fish and 2 minutes each side. You can cook until it's golden, tender, and flaky. Remove them and keep it aside. Now in a same pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 minced onion, a tablespoon of butter. Let the onions turn soft and golden. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half cup of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and stir everything together. Now pour in Indian spices, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, salt, and Kashmiri red chili powder. Now pour 1/4 cup of heavy cream and half cup of coconut milk for that sweetness, restaurant style richness, and the fresh coriander for that fresh look. Simmer until all the sauce thickens slightly. Turn off the heat. Now gently place your cooked fish back into the sauce. Don't stir aggressively. Just spoon some of the butter masala over the fish so it soaks all of the flavor. Now for the plating, creamy fish masala on a bowl. Top it off with a fresh green chilies, red chilies, pickled onion on top, lemon veggies, and a cilantro. You can put any toppings you would like. Serve it with rice, roti, or garlic naan, and you have got a bold, luxurious fish, restaurant style quality dish ready to impress. If this made your mouth water, don't forget to like, follow, and share it with someone who loves bold Indian flavor. See you in the next one. Thank you.